Hey everyone. When we use music from Pixabay for YouTube, social media, podcasts, or commercial projects, it's important to understand the license as well as download the track. Even though Pixabay offers royalty-free music, we often need proof of license, especially for copyright claims, monetization, or client work. Knowing how to download or access the Pixabay music license helps us protect our content and avoid problems. Downloading a Pixabay music license gives us proof that the track we use is covered by Pixabay's content license. While Pixabay's music is usually free to use without attribution, having a copy of the license helps us resolve copyright claims on sites like YouTube or Facebook. Understanding the Pixabay license terms makes sure we do not misuse the music. For example, we cannot resell the track as our own, share it as a standalone audio, or claim it as our original work. Following these rules keeps us compliant and lets us use the music confidently in our projects. Now, let's see how to download the music license on Pixabay. We go to Music. Once we're in the Music section and have picked the track we want, let's use this as an example. On the right, we find the Download button with a downward arrow. We click this button. After clicking, we see a message about downloading and our license profile. We will look for another example because the music don't have a license. For this example, we click Downloads. Once we click Downloads, a pop-up will show up. In the pop-up message, we see a thank you for downloading Cornav music. At the bottom, we see the license certificate for the music. Here, we click this to download the license certificate. Click this, and we get redirected. Now we have downloaded the license for the music from Pixabay. This is how we download and keep our Pixabay music license safe. Taking a few extra minutes to save the license protects our content and helps us publish online with confidence. We should always review the license terms for any track, especially if we use it for commercial purposes.